Do you love your Muslim brothers and sisters for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His glory? In a narrated hadith by Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anha in Sahih Muslim, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam clearly said, whoever believes in Allah and His Messenger should love each other as brothers, because Muslimin are brothers to each other. In a special hadith that I am quoting here, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will say on the day of judgment, where are those people who loved each other for the sake of my glory? Where are those people? Because today I will keep them under my shade when there is no other shade other than me and my throne. So this hadith tells us how important it is to love each other for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His glory alone, without any greed, without any expectations of power, of relationship, or jobs, or worldly benefits, materialistic benefits and everything. We need to love each other for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because we do need the shade of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on Judgment Day, when there would be no shade, when there will be no support, where there will be no relationship. Nobody will care about each other but for us, ourselves. On Judgment Day, there will be dark and there will be no support other than our race to khair that we are collecting points for here in this dunya. So remember, love your brother and sisters for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Help ease their pains, help strengthen them, help motivate them. Do not bring them down and do not demean them, because on that day you will only need those points of khair, the brownie points that you will need on Judgment Day. So follow the hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and love your brothers and sisters for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All the benefits and the blessings of this dunya will remain here, but our khair will go. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.